friends, and welcome to my car, where I don't usually film my intros, but today I'm going to do something a little different from what I usually do, because I'm going to make a vlog about how I usually spend my weekends, or at least how I'm going to spend this weekend. And my plan for this weekend was actually to go to my garage and change the timing belt on my Civic, and then come over to my friend Pascal's place to hang out. But then he came up with the great idea to come over to my garage and help me film, so I can go and change the timing belt a little bit quicker, because filming takes up so much time, and then we'd have a bit more time to hang out. So I'm currently in front of his house and I'm going to pick him up, and then we can go to my garage together, and then I'm going to change my timing belt. Oh, and by the way, by the time I'm uploading this video, I think the timing belt video is already online, but yeah, that's what I'm going to film today. Hi.
Hey!
Now, before we continue our 45-minute drive, we stopped at a gas station to get some coffee.
Ja, dat is zo'n emmer.
Yeah, look, we got illy coffee. Well, it's cappuccino. How do you pronounce that? Is that real coffee? Yeah, it is. Mixed with milk. Alright, we're here at the Honda party, and now I'm going to replace the timing belt of that Civic. But I'm not going to include that in this video, so if you want to see that, then check out my YouTube profile, because I will have already uploaded that video. Hi friends! Today I'm finally going to get started with my Honda Civic project, and today I'm going to replace the timing belt. Well, quick little side quest, because we're still working on the Civic, but it's already hoe zeg je dit? Oh, 7:30. It's already 7:30, and I don't think we'll be ready in under an hour, so we won't make it to the supermarket when we get back, because it's still 45-minute drive to Pascal's house. So we're gonna go to the supermarket and get some dinner, so that when we're ready we can go home and cook something and chill, because we thought that doing the timing belt on the Civic would take us very little time, but of course it took us way more than expected, because that's how it always goes with a project car. But yeah, we're going on a little side quest to the supermarket right now. I never film in the wild. And there's people. So socially awkward.
Hallo Jumbo.
Hallo. Klein stukje dan. What's this? Should I fix it?
Can you?
No, it's not a car. I don't know how this works. What you want to get? What do you want? Pascal's hungry. We just got out of the supermarket and he's already eating. Well, I'm hungry too, but we still gotta finish the Civic.
Oh yeah.
And man, this is awkward. You know, filming yourself and putting it out on the internet's already awkward, but then filming in public makes it even worse. Let's go. But at least we're doing it together. And it's also weird to be speaking English while everyone here is Dutch and can clearly hear that I'm Dutch too.
No, I'm not Dutch.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Then what are you?
Dutch.
You're weird. Oh, look at that sick Volvo. Wish that was my car. Oh wait, it is. Ah, it's so pretty. You like my Volvo? It's pretty, isn't it? Wow. That's sick. That's the worst shot ever. I'm a bad cameraman.
What?
You're going to eat more cookies?
No.
This packaging will be empty when we get home.
For sure.
Yeah. Well, we're back. And I did replace the timing belt already. And now we just gotta put everything back there. And then we're done. And then I'm pretty happy because I'm a bit hungry. But that's what we're at right now.
Wow. Dat doet echt zeer, maat. Dat doet echt pijn.
Je hand dan weg.
Hij wordt gewoon boos hoor, hè? Dat doet echt zeer gewoon. Het is gewoon een muizenval. Doe maar even je hand daar leggen. Doe maar even je hand daar leggen.
Met handschoen?
Dat maakt mij niet uit.
Auw!
Ik zei het, het doet echt zeer. Dus dan zie je maar weer wat voor bikkel die is, hè? Nee. Wil je nog een keer aan mij doen? Mag wel. Doet zeer, hè?
Ja.
Oh, verdorie, had je niet verwacht, hè?
No.
Ja.
Civic's all done. Now let's head home. Yay, we're done. Yay, we're tired and hungry. Alright, we're home. Well, Pascal's home and I'm at his place. Now, the plan for today was actually to finish the Civic real quick and then hang out. But it's already 10:30, so we don't really have time to hang out anymore, unfortunately. So I'm just going to stay over here for the night, and then tomorrow I do gotta film another video because I do have another car to fix. But we're going to try to do the same thing. So Pascal's going to come with me and he's going to film for me. And then hopefully tomorrow we can go and do something fun. Now for now I'm just going to open my laptop and then transfer all of the files so I don't have a full SD card. And I think that will be it for today because it's late, I'm tired, I want to eat and then go to sleep. So that's my plan for the rest of the night, and then I'll get back to you tomorrow morning and we'll try to fix a car a bit quicker and then do something fun. So I'm really hoping we can do that, but this is usually how my weekends go. I always try to do some work and then something fun, and it always ends up me being at work all of the time. But yeah, we're going to try tomorrow and I think we can do it because it's a bit smaller job to do tomorrow. But I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, it is now Sunday and I'm in front of the garage I share with Pascal. And I'm here with my V70 where I'm currently sitting in, because today I'm going to work on this car and hopefully it will go a bit more smoothly than yesterday. Now I was a bit tired yesterday, so I kind of forgot to explain it, but I forgot to turn on my mic yesterday, so I had to redo 2 hours of footage just because I had no sound. And of course I can't upload a video without any sound on it, so we had to redo it. And also I bought a new gimbal, which you can see because the camera is currently on it, but that stabilizes my footage. And I had to figure out how it works, and I also had to explain to Pascal how it works, and we were struggling pretty badly, so that's why everything was so hard yesterday and it took us so long. But today everything should go a bit more smoothly and we should go and hang out later. And the weather is pretty nice. It's 19 degrees, I believe, so hopefully we can have a nice and fun day today. Now, to get started with all of the fun activities, we gotta clean up this mess first, because I can't drive my car inside. And we also gotta push out the 850 of Pascal, because I want to use the car lift. Yay!
Zo goed gaat toch?
Ja, hier gaat het goed. I really gotta wash my car too. I'm going to try and do that when I finish working on it. Alright, my diesel's inside, so I'm gonna go and film a video and then I'll get back to you. Alright, we're all nice and done, and I think it's like 6 p.m, maybe a bit later, but we're a bit faster than yesterday, so my V70 can go outside again and then we can put the 850R back. Okay, bye. Alright, now as you can see, it's already dark outside because I wanted to go home and freshen up a bit, but we just got some sushi and we're going to eat in the car.
Show them the sushi.
Oh yeah. Look. Can you even see it? I don't want to drop it. Can you eat with chopsticks?
No, yeah. I learned. Watch this.
Why are you like this? Now, we usually don't eat takeout that much because I prefer it when you cook for me. You're a great cook though. I like it when you cook for me.
When do I cook for you?
Yesterday.
Oh yeah, that's true. But then, before yesterday, when did I cook for you? It's funny. She says she like it, but I never cook for her.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, but when?
A little while back, you should cook for me more often.
Yeah, maybe you should come by more often. Oh no, wait. You never got time.
Well, you can film my videos. Did you enjoy filming my video today?
Yeah, it was okay, I suppose.
Maybe I should cook for you then, because you
No.
worked for me today.
Yeah, but I liked it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked it that we do stuff together.
Yeah, we can spend some more time together
Oh my
if we
God, I got
work
so
together.
much trouble with this chopstick. Fuck those. Here, hold this. I'm gonna chop my sushi with my chopstick.
It's annoying because I'm trying not to talk while eating because I hate eating sounds, but it's hard when you're eating and trying to film a video. How do people do this? I never watch videos of people eating.
I don't want to make eating sounds when I'm eating. I want to talk, but I don't want to make eating sounds. But I'm eating and I'm talking.
That's why I normally work on cars while talking on YouTube. It's a
Not
bit
eating,
easier.
Not eating.
No. It is now the second time today that I'm at the car wash, but now I'm going to actually wash my car with this super stinky rim cleaner. It's super annoying how this sprays. And I can't multitask. I don't even know if this is in frame. Yes, it is. Are you supposed to use it like this? Show me how you spray this. Oh, you've done this before.
I got skills.
Yeah, you did my Civic too.
Boy got skills.
Yeah. Wow. Can you show me once more?
just want to ask you, want to see it again?
That's beautiful. Are you going to wash the rest of the car for me too? Ah. Thank you. I wish you guys could smell this. It's disgusting. I want to throw up. And then the scent is...
Fruit.
Well, that's some rotten fruit then. Wow. Yay. That's all super nice and clean. My wheels are shiny again. I'm always super happy when my car is clean. Look at that. Alright, we are finally home after a pretty long weekend. So now we have time to watch YouTube for another 30 minutes or something until we gotta go to sleep. Alright, now I know that this wasn't the most interesting weekend ever, but I think this is a very good representation of how my weekends usually go, because I always plan to do some fun things and I never do any fun things. I'm always working, getting home late and then going to sleep and then repeating that day after day, and also during the weekends because I always film YouTube videos. But what I did think was fun that we could do it together today, right?
For sure.
And I'm sorry because we were supposed to hang out and we didn't, but we did spend time together, so that's nice. And now we got 30 minutes left or something because we got work tomorrow. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap it up for today. I want to thank you. If you're still there, you're a real one, because I don't even know if anyone's going to watch this. But thank you so much for watching. In 2 days, I'll be back to upload a normal video. So please stay tuned for that. So I hope to see you on Thursday. And for now, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.